Okay, we're just going to be going into padlock real quick. So we're going to do another video in padlock. So let's do this. Let's hope it doesn't lag again. Yes. Okay. Let's just go into zombies. Nah. Hide. Let's go into hide now. I feel like let's go into the asylum. So more I'm a paranoid-ish. Hell. Wait. No. Wait. This is a gas station. Okay, we're in the wrong one. I thought this was the other. Okay, let's go into this one. American lobby. What the hell just happened? We lost one.
How is he all the way over here?
Yeah.
I'm always the first one likely to get killed, and I don't know why.
Who knows why you always die?
Is it because you guys hate me, or what's
No, I
wrong?
just joined. I don't know what the hell's going on.
I just got destroyed. Do you guys hate me or what? Dude, shoot, you dumbo.
Probably that's why you killed them.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I can imagine. Ah. Oh, that's okay.
I died
Fire team
9
has arrived
times.
at location.
Don't
Moving in.
make it 10 times.
Okay.
Shoot the target on sight. Let's make this quick.
Flashlight will
Don't.
probably lighten it up. Because, like, snow. Okay, I feel like he's on the roof already.
Watch how far I'm gonna throw this gun. Watch how far I'm gonna throw this gun. Watch how far I'm gonna throw this gun.
He's over there! That's not, where is he? Get off of the roof. I know you're on the roof.
Need bandages.
Okay, does this not look like a base? I don't need help. So, stop. Jesus Christ, I swear. I was just looking on the side of my screen and I thought I saw like an invisible player. But no, that was just
This device is running. On to the next one.
Okay, he's not on the roof because... Oh! He's inside! Oh, I saw him! I saw him immediately.
Subject neutralized.
I saw him from go over there to...
Got a man down.
Yeah. Ah.
Squad has arrived at location. Moving to intercept target.
It was a joke.
Shoot me with that one time, actually.
Oh yeah,
Shoot
I
me
know.
with that.
Yeah. Now get yourself some heals. You need to really heal yourself. Okay. Whoever dies, we have to shoot them with this. Because if they get shot, he can't be healing off of their dead bodies. Ah, god damn it. Oh. Get out of the showers! You're on the roof! He's on the roof. Watch out.
Good to go here. Let's move on to the next disruptor.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Chill, chill, chill! We don't want you to lose all of your ammo real quick. Okay, that made it more terrifying. Let's just go to her. Let's just go over here. Wait. Okay, we only have one. Where's our... Wait, why do you take out my name? Take out... Put the name back. Oh, thank you. can't heal off his dead body. No, there's another. Okay.
That's all the disruptors set up. He'll pass out from exhaustion any minute now.
Okay, we need to survive for as long as we can.
lost one.
Oh, wait. Yeah. This one should not.
Какой-то хуйней занимаюсь.
Oh, he was outside the walls? Who was it? Oh. Where did he come from, actually?
Монстры какие-то, поняла?
God damn it. I can't speak. What the hell is he? No! Wait, did I post
О,
him?
прикольно, зимняя карта.
The first guy. No, I didn't. Oh, damn it. Yes!
Target down.
Why does this spin you with his pistol?
Hello. О,
Squad is at location.
Better get an egg.
Ooh, a shotgun!
I love that. Hey, stop pointing that at me now.
In this area.
Thank you.
Find him
Dude,
and
you
take
were
him
just
down.
okay. You know what? Hey, shoot me with that.
What's it?
Shoot me with that.
He's
No,
right over there.
shoot
He's
me.
right there. Because I'll make
Thank you.
It'll make him if the person who was hide not able to heal off his dead body. So mostly that's good about it. Can still be on the roof for me at least. Pew. Just making sure he's on the roof. I'm at your feet forever. Oh, he is on the roof! I knew it! He threw a grenade!
This disruptor is set up. Let's get to the next one.
He was on the roof, I said. Not like completely on the roof now. I said he was on the roof and just threw a grenade.
He was on it. Fake it.
I didn't say completely
Anyway.
was on the roof. I said he was on the roof. Just to throw a grenade. Now he knows. What? Oh, there's 3 of them? But all 3 of them are dead, so mostly we have 1. So mostly that's making it more terrified because we don't know where it is.
I see him. I see him. I see him. He just killed him. I see him. I see him.
Where?
I told you he was gonna die because he was over there, and he was way behind me.
Okay, that makes more sense, and I'm more terrified. Jesus! Oh
Devices
shit!
are set up and running.
Oh
Let's finish this
no!
thing.
Yes! I thought you
Kill
would die.
confirmed.
That's great.
Oh,
He got stuck. He got stuck.
Squad is in position. Moving to neutralize
okay,
the target.
poison! I can poison people
Let me
so
tell
they
you.
can
Let's get these
not
close
get
disruptors
killed.
set up and take this thing out.
He was right here.
Why is everybody
jump
shooting
around.
somebody?
Jump
And why is he getting shot?
in the crevice and then just
Here.
to the side.
Here, take this.
All right.
Medical assistance.
What the fuck? Why is he shooting basically everybody?
Everybody, stop shooting.
You lost one.
Why did that just guy go psycho and kill everybody?
Why did he kill this man? Oh, the grenade? Oh, that's not a grenade. I thought that was a grenade.
Yo, let's start heading towards the.
Target spotted. Placing trap.
I'm just grabbing some weapons from his dead body. Dead body. Why did I get shot? Yeah, I see.